Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we've seen some progression to the downside. Continuation chart here. You've got a few things. You've got the 50, the 100, and the 200-day exponential moving averages, all basically jammed up in and around this 2950, 2960 area. That's all going to have to be dealt with. The bears are going to have to convert all that if they want to go down and see the lower band on the continuation chart. It's a good place for the bulls to try to step in and show a little bit of resiliency and try to establish some support. You go to the hourly chart and you can see, Thursday was just that was just a nice steady trend down. You saw it bounce up into the open on Friday, and then they went and took the air right out of it again. You saw the last couple of hours on Friday move up into that hourly midband, gap down, chop. They kept everybody in a box there right around 29.85, and then they moved it down pretty efficiently. That's an old price. And now we're just kind of battling in and around the monthly pivot at 29.51. 50-day, like I said, the 100-day and the 200-day are also there. We tried to get in last night. We tried a little bit short, a little bit long, but it was just chopping. So we ended up going flat, went to bed, and of course, what was this, 2 in the morning? 1 in the morning, I'm sorry. 1 o'clock, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., they can have those. That's all right. You see the hourly midband here trying to hold stuff in. That's going to be critical. Monthly pivot's going to be critical. The whole 29.50 area. You see the daily midband up there at 30.42. That's a ways away now. That's a ways away. So look, my one expectation for today is volatility. I expect it to be volatile. I expect there to be plenty of opportunities for us to make our handle goal for the day. We traded just the morning on Friday, and we called the tape a little bit in the afternoon. But as far as setups go, we were done by noon, and we were done with a really nice day in the books. But I don't like over trading on Fridays, especially not during the summer. So headed into today, watch all this stuff around 50. The 100-day on the front month, 29.40. 200-day on the front month, 29.63. 50-day on the front month, 29.49. So basically 40 to 60. Monthly pivot there at 51. So there's your battle zone. If it converts to the downside, expect them to test the overnight lows. If it converts to the upside, they're going to have to deal with the hourly midband up at 29.80. And if they do that, they can test the roundie. But, the one expectation has got to be for volatility. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.